Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we want to treat the area of a trapezium. We know a trapezium look exactly like this, or we can also have it have one straight end and one slant end. Don't forget, these horizontal lines are parallel to each other. So this is the pair of parallel lines. The other two sides are the non-parallel lines. So this and these are non-parallel. Likewise, this and these are also non-parallel. So any quadrilateral that fit into this description is called a trapezium. So we want to find the area of this trapezium, which is trapezium A, B, C, D. But if you look carefully into it, the length of AB is A. The length of DC is also B. Then the perpendicular height between the line AB and DC is labeled as what? H. Since it's a perpendicular height, this is the height. This is also the same as this. Now, this line here divides this trapezium into two, which we can have ABD, BCD as two triangles. So it means that if I know the area of the triangle A and that of triangle B, adding the two together give me the area of the trapezium. So in this case, we know that, let's use here to be, okay, area of triangle ABD, where we know we are taking here, this part is clean, this is the perpendicular height, this is the base. We have half times the base times what? The height. So we have this as our area of triangle ABD. Now let's try that of the second one. So B, C, D. This is also going to be the base. Don't forget, the length B is the upper base. The length A is the lower base. So this is the base, this is the base. So if we take this triangle, if this is the base, we cannot take here to be the height. And looking at this, from here to here, does also not form a right angle with the base. So we cannot take this also as the height. But you can see that from here to here is forming perpendicular with the base. Meaning, if I extend this, you can see that the dimension of this will be the same as this dimension. When they say height of a triangle, we are only referring to a line that drawn from the apex to the base of the triangle. So this is going to be from the apex to the base, forming perpendicular or forming a right angle with the base. So it is still the same as what? The edge that we are having here. So this will also be half base times what? The height. So in all, area of the trapezium ABCD is going to be the area of the first triangle plus the second one. 1 over 2 AH plus 1 over 2 BH. And in this, we can see that half, this is plus. The whole of this is multiplied, so they are 1/10. The whole of this is also multiplied, so we are having 1/10. So this and this is common. Likewise, H and H is common. So if I'm to factorize, I will be having half as a common factor, H as a common factor. Dividing this with this will leave only what? A. Dividing this part with the 1 over 2H will also leave out only what? B. So it means, in actual sense, finding the area of a trapezium is just half times the height multiplying the sum of the straight edges, or the sum of the upper base and the lower base. That is the formula that has been translated to be area equals to half A plus B times what? The height. By description, we can say area of a trapezium is equals to half times the sum of the straight edges times the perpendicular height. I believe you get the concept. So it means that we can get two triangles from a trapezium. This can also give us two triangles. Alright. So fast forward, let's see how we can use the formula to find the area of this trapezium. So by quoting the formula, we have area equals to half A plus B h. So in this case, we are going to have our A, which is the side upper base, to be equals to 15 meter. Our lower base is going to be 20 meter. Then the height will be 10 meter. Don't forget, we can also use the description of the side as in AB to be the line segment AB plus line segment DC times line segment. You can introduce a variable, so that will also give you EC, but still the formula still hold. So with this, we will do our substitution to have area equals to the A as we have as 15, the B will be 20, then the height is what? 10. I believe you know the bracket will be solved first. So 15 plus 20, that will be 35. So half of 35 times 10. We can find half of this, or half of this, or half of the product. I would prefer to go for the half of 10, and that will be 5. So I'll be having 35 times what? 5. And this is going to be 30 times 5 plus 5 times what? 5. So that will be 150 plus 25. So we have 175. Since it's an area, we introduce our unit of measurement. So this is what you get. You can see that any trapezium given to you, this is the formula. You could be given the area whereby one of the sides will be missing for you to find, or they can give you the side and you'll be asked to find the angle produced there. Anyhow that the question will be set, the idea still remain the same. I believe you grab the concept. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with your learning colleagues, and leave a comment. Bye bye.